Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change your refresh rate on the ACER Nitro XZ273U. So first, what we want to do is we want to right click on our screen with our mouse and go over to the display settings. Here, we need to go over and scroll until we see the advanced display. Now click here, and here you guys will see choose a refresh rate, and here you guys can choose everything. As you guys can see, I can even choose, let's say, 60 Hertz. And now this setting has been applied. You guys won't notice the difference because it's because of YouTube blocking the FPSs. So here I can revert those settings and go back to 180 now. And as you guys can see, now for me the difference is very big, but you guys won't notice it that much because of YouTube. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.